Welcome back to our podcast. Hope you guys are doing great today. Today we are going to talk about an Indonesian movie that has been getting a lot of attention lately. Tunggu Aku Sukses Nanti. And today we have Syahrul as your speaker. Welcome.
Hello guys, thank you for having me. I am really excited to talk about this movie because I think it's very close to our daily life, especially as young people who are still in the process of chasing our dreams.
Can you tell us about the story?
Sure. So this movie focus on a young person who has big dream and ambition, but at the same time they face many obstacles. These obstacles are not only external, like financial difficulty or family expectation, but also internal struggle such as insecurity and self-doubt. What makes it interesting in the main character keeps saying, "Wait until I become successful." This sentence shows how their life success is the only way to prove their value to others. In my opinion, this mindset is very common today, where people feel like they need to achieve something big first before they can be respect or appreciation.
What was your first impression?
Okay, my first impression, what that the movie feel very real and honest. It doesn't exaggerate things too much, but instead show situation that we can actually relate to. While watching it, I feel like I was not just watching a story, but also reflecting on my own life. There are moments where the character feel lost, confused, and present. And I think many us have experienced the same thing. That's why the movie feels personal and not just entertaining.
Why is it so relatable?
Because it reflects the reality of young people today. We live in a time where everything is visible, especially through social media. We constantly see other people achievement, and without realizing it, we start comparing ourselves. The movie captures that feeling of being left behind, even though in really everyone has their own timeline. It also shows how insecurity can grow when we feel like we are not progressing fast enough. And I think that's something many students and young adults are dealing with right now.
What about social pressure?
Social pressure play a hard role in this movie. The main character is not only trying to achieve their dreams, but also trying to meet expectations from family and society. Sometimes these expectations are not directly forced, but they are still felt emotional. For example, being compared to other or being asked about achievement can create pressure. In my opinion, pressure can be both positive and negative. It can motivate us, but if it becomes too much, it can lead to stress and self-doubt. The movie shows this balance very well, and it makes realize how important it is to manage pressure in a healthy way.
What lesson can we learn?
One of the biggest reasons is that success should not be the only measure of our worth. The movie reminds us that the process, the effort, and the struggle are just as valuable as the final result. It also teaches us to be more patient with ourselves. Not everyone will success at the same time, and that's completely okay. Another important message is about self-acceptance, learning to appreciate ourselves even when we are still in the process and not successful yet.
Strength in weakness.
The strengths of movie are definitely the emotional deep and relatable. The acting feel natural and the story connect well with the audience. As for the weakness, the storyline can feel a bit predictable because the theme of casting success is quite common. However, even though it's predictable, the emotional delivery and personal approach make it still engaging and meaningful.
Relevance to students.
Uh, this movie is relevant to students because many of us are currently in a phase where we are trying hard but haven't seen the result yet. We study, we work, we try to improve ourselves, but sometimes it feels like nothing is changing. This movie reminds us that progress takes time. It's okay to move slowly as long as we keep moving forward. It also teaches us not to compare our journey with others because everyone has different circumstance and timing.
Did is change your perspective?
Perspective? Yes, I did. It made me realize that I should rush success just to prove something to others. Sometimes we focus too much on how people see us instead of focusing on our own growth. This movie helped me understand that failure is not something to be ashamed of, but something that helps us grow stronger.
Would you recommend it?
Yes, definitely. I would recommend this movie, especially to young people and students. Not only because it's relatable, but also because it gives a meaningful message about life, struggle, and silver. I think this movie can help people feel understand and less alone in their journey.
Final thoughts?
Final talks. My final thought is that success is not something we should rush. Everyone their own process and timeline. We should learn to trust our journey even when it feels slow or difficult.
That's a great message.
And remember, it's okay to fail. It's okay to feel lost as long as we keep trying and don't give up.
Alright, thank you so much, Shahrul, for sharing your thoughts and insight with us today. It was a really meaningful and relatable discussion. And thank you everyone for listening to this episode. We hope this discussion can give you a new perspective and maybe a little motivation in your journey. Don't forget to keep believing in yourself and trust your own process. See you in the next podcast.
See you.